Yun mga paps, good morning sa inyo. Ngayon may nadiskubre akong murang paraan para may adjust yung rear sets ng motorbike. In-order ko siya online. Nandito ako ngayon sa kotse kasi pinick up ko siya sa post. Ito siya. Foot peg adjuster siya. Ayan. Ang mangyayari dito, i-atras niya yung rear sets mo. So hindi mo na kailangan bumili ng isang set ng rear set kasi mahal yun. So try natin itong install. Wala akong idea kung paano ito install. Tinignan ko siya sa YouTube. Wala akong makita kung paano ikabit. Walang instructional guide o kung ano man. Tingnan ko lang yung picture nung pinagbilan ko. Tapos mura lang siya, 500 baht lang siya. So parang 900 pesos lang. Kailangan ko kasi pag naka-boots ako sa Ninja ko, hindi ko maipasok mabuti yung paa ko dun sa cambio. Minsan tumutulas kasi hindi naman siya masyadong malapit, pero masyadong flat yung pagkakaposisyon ng paa. So pag in-adjust natin siya pa atras, yung rear sets, baka pumasok na maganda. So tatry kong ikabit. So i-install ko siya ngayon. Samahan niyo ako. Wala akong idea kung paano ito gawin. So bahala na. So natanggal ko na siya. Napakahirap tanggalin ang tigas. So nakabit ko na siya. Ang hirap ng pagkabit ng nut kasi baliktaran pala, hindi ko na-realize ito. Ang sabi ng bahay na yan, may padakin ng aircon.
You go and can't, without remorse, without heart. In your head, you're right, but in my head, you are the bad. I wanna show to the world that you're the bad one. You was being bad. That use all my love, use all my time, use all my heart. You begging me to come out with you. I don't know, I'm fine without you. You begging me to to come out with you, 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 you. I don't know, I'm fine without you, 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 you. Without you, 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 you. You beg me to come out with you, 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 you. I don't know, I'm fine without you, 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 you.
Dito na tayo sa brake side. Medyo mas maraming kailangang gawin. May mga hose kasi. So,
cause I don't love you, boy. I wanna shit to the world that you're the bad one, you always being bad. What are you doing here? Cause I don't love you, boy. I wanna shit to the world that you're the bad one, you always being bad. What are you doing here? Cause I don't love you, boy. I wanna shit to the world that you're the bad one, you always being bad. You go and can't, without remorse, without heart. In your head, you're right, but in my head, you are the bad. I wanna show to the world that you're the bad one, you always being bad. That use all my love, use all my time, use all my heart. You beg me to come out with you, 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 you. I don't know, I'm fine without you, 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 you. You beg me to come out with you, 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 you. I don't know, I'm fine without you, 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 you. What are you doing here?
ito yung brake side.
Wow!
Ayos. Yun, at na-install ko na, na-complete ko na yung pag-install. Kaso nung tinesride ko siya, nung pagkambyo ko ng 1 papunta ng segunda, napunta ako sa neutral so medyo maluwag yung pagkaka-setup ko nung cambio. I-adjust ko na lang yan, minor adjustments lang naman, so madali lang yan. Tapos medyo nahirapan ako mag-install nung sa brake side kasi kailangan kong tagalin yung isang bushing doon para maigalaw ko maputi yung mga components ng brake side. So, nagawa naman, okay naman siya, wala problema. So yun lang. Thank you.